Good morning, students. Now in the derivatives now section C, in that sum number 8. Now first of all we read the sum that find f double dash x if f of x is equals to 4 root of x. Now see 4 root of x becomes x raised to 1 by 4. Now first of all we find out f dash x, and then after we apply f double dash x, right? So here we apply that n x raised to n minus 1. So here n becomes 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 x raised to 1 by 4 minus 1. Now we take LCM, so it becomes minus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 into x raised to minus 3 by 4. This is our f dash x. Now here we have to find out f double dash x. For that we apply that d upon dx in bracket f dash x. Now we apply nx raised to n minus 1. The second time we have to apply nx raised to n minus 1 for the 1 by 4 into x raised to minus 3 by 4. So d upon dx into 1 upon 4 into x raised to minus 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 raised to minus, ये जो minus 3 by 4 है, that comes over here. So 1 by 4 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 into x raised to minus 3 upon 4 minus 1. Right? Now we do multiplication of this, that minus 3 by 16 into x raised to, we'll take LCM of this. So it becomes minus 7 by 4. Now power cannot be in the negative value, so we take this in the denominator. So minus 3 upon 16 into x raised to 7 by 4. So this is our answer of f double dash x. Sum number 10 now, that find f double dash 0 if f of x is equals to x raised to 4 minus 4x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now here f double dash 0 that we have to find out. So first of all we find out f dash x. Here also we apply that nx raised to n minus 1. We apply nx raised to n minus 1 for each of these equation, right? X raised to 4, it becomes 4x cube. Then 4x cube, it becomes 12x square. 4 multiplied by 3 raised into x raised to 3 minus 1 becomes 12x square, plus 3x square का 3 multiplied by 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 becomes 1. This remains 1 only. So this is our f of x. Now we have to find out f double dash 0 is given, but first of all we find out f double dash x value. So d upon dx in bracket f dash x. We write down the same equation over here. Now you do not need to find out more nx raised to n minus 1. Just put up 0 value. So f double dash 0 is equals to, you need to find out this here, nx raised to n minus 1, right? So 4 3s are 12, x square का ये बनेगा 4 3s are 12x square minus 12 2s are 24 x raised to 1 plus 6. Now we put up 0 in place of x. So 0, 12 multiplied by 0, 24 multiplied by 0 plus 6. So now it becomes 6 for the f double dash 0. तो f डबल डैश 0 में क्या करेंगे, पहले हम nx रेस टू n माइनस 1 से इक्वेशन सॉल्व करेंगे, उसके बाद डबल डैश अप्लाई करेंगे. सो एक और बार nx रेस टू n माइनस 1 अप्लाई करेंगे, एंड देन आफ्टर वॉट एवर वैल्यू इज गिवन दैट वी पुट अप in place of x, and then we find out answer. Question number 11 now, that find marginal revenue if revenue function is 90x minus x square upon 2. Now revenue is equals to r is equals to 90x minus x square upon 2 is given. So here we apply formula of marginal revenue. We convert this R into dr upon dx, right? So in place of R we put up this equation 90x minus x square upon 2. Now we put up 1 in place of x, so 90 into 1 minus 2x upon 2. Now this 2 is eliminated, right? So that is cut. So now we have 90 minus x that is left. Sum number 16 now, that f of x is equals to x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 7. Prove that f dash 2 is equals to 35. मतलब here we have to prove that the answer of f dash 2 that should come 35. That we have to prove with this equation. So f of x is equals to this x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 7. Then now we apply nx raised to n minus 1. F dash, that means first order differentiation, and f double dash, that is second order differentiation. So here we have to find out only first order differentiation. So here it becomes, for the x cube nx raised to n minus 1, 3x square we get. For 5x square we get 10x. For this 3x we get only 3. And for this single digit we cannot apply this nx raised to n minus 1. So it becomes 0. Now we have this equation. So now we put 2 in place of x. So f dash 2 is equals to 3, 2 square plus 10 into 2 plus 3. So now we simplify this, so we get 35. So it is proved that f dash 2 is equals to 35. Sum number 17 now, that if f of x is equals to 3x square plus 3, then for which value of x f dash x is equals to f of x. Now here in this sum, f of x is equals to 3x square plus 3 is given, right? Now first of all we apply this nx raised to n minus 1. So this becomes 3 into 2x plus 0. So it becomes 6x, right? Now here we have to prove f dash x is equals to f of x. Now see here we have this equation 3 to the we have 3x square plus 3 is equals to 6x. ये f of x की f of x is this, and f dash x, that is 6x, right? So 6x is equals to 3x square plus 3. Now we have framed this equation because we have to prove this. Now we take this 6x on this side, so equation becomes 3x square minus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now we make more shorter of this equation because all these values are divided by 3. So x square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this is the factorization of x minus 1 whole square, right? So x minus 1 is equals to 0. If we remove this square on both this side, 0 becomes 0 only. This becomes x minus 1. So x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we transfer this 1 on the other side. So x minus 1. So this is our answer. Sum number 18 now, that find d square y upon dx square if y is equals to 2x cube plus 5x square minus 3 plus 4 upon x square minus 5 upon x cube. We have to find out this d square upon y upon d square into y upon dx square if this equation is given, right? First of all we apply this nx raised to n minus 1 for this equation. So we get this 6x square plus 10x minus 8x minus 3 raised to 3 raised to minus 3 plus 15x raised to minus 4, right? That step for the nx raised to n minus 1, that is written over here. Now we apply this d square y upon dx square. So we convert this into d upon dx. So this becomes dy upon dx, right? Because d स्क्वायर में से एक d इधर आ गया है और फिर ये एक्स स्क्वायर में से एक एक्स इधर आ गया, इसलिए ये बन जाएगा dy upon dx. Now we have this equation. So now we still more apply nx raised to n minus 1 ये पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन के लिए. So 6 into 2x raised to 2 minus 1, then 10 into 1, then 8 into minus 3 into x raised to minus 3 minus 1 plus 15 into minus 4 x raised to minus 4 minus 1. Now we simplify this, so we get this equation. Now power cannot be in negative value, so we take this in denominator. So 12x plus 10 plus 24 upon x raised to 4 minus 60 upon x raised to 5. So this is how we can solve this sum, right? So all of you write down all these sums in your notebook and practice again by yourself.